Hi friends. So in earlier videos we have seen OOPS concept, encapsulation, inheritance, polymorphism. Okay, so I advise you to please strictly follow these concepts and do implement in your projects and do uh, use this in your day-to-day programming. Okay, so today we are going to see abstractions. What is abstraction? Okay, so abstraction is just hiding implementation details. It is same like encapsulation, but there is just one major difference between abstraction and encapsulation. In encapsulation also you are hiding data, and it is protecting how it's stored, changed. Encapsulation is mainly hiding data, but abstraction is mainly hiding implementation details. Okay, so what it shows you what to do, and encapsulation shows you how to do. Okay, so in abstraction we'll understand how to implement abstraction. Abstraction is just you have to implement at the time of designing your classes, what methods you want to give to customers, what properties you want to hide. Okay, so that you have to take care at the time of design level, starting your project, whenever you are creating classes and all. So abstraction we can achieve using two things, by creating abstract classes and by creating interfaces. So we will now just go through the code. Okay, we'll show you the code. Abstraction. Okay, suppose you are having one payment method, you are developing something about payment related functionality. So you have to decide what methods you have to give, you what methods you require to process all the functionality. So for example, we are taking one method, say process payment. Okay, so we can create abstract class payment. You cannot create an instance of this abstract class. So this is just a blueprint of your class. You don't have to do implementation inside abstract class. You just uh, add all the required methods and properties in this class, but you cannot create an instance. If you want to access, you can create instance from that payment class. You can inherit into a credit card payment, and you can create instance of this credit card payment. So if you create this instance, see here we are having process payment method and having abstract keyword. Abstract keyword means you have just method declaration, no implementation. That is abstract. Virtual is different than abstract. Virtual means you can have implementation also, and you can override that method also in derived class. So in credit card payment you have to override this abstract method process payment. Okay, so this is, you can call abstraction, that you should have only raw data, no, not concrete data. Concrete, this is your concrete data, means you have a implementation, and this is just raw, just declaration part. So I hope you understand this abstract class. So this is mainly we can call abstraction. Abstraction we can also achieve using interfaces. Suppose we have created a I interface, I payment. Okay, 1 minute. Okay, so here also you have just declarations. Okay, and in UPI, suppose we have a concrete class UPI payment, you can derive this, you can implement this interface here, and you can add this method process payment. So using interface also you can achieve abstraction. Just main difference between interface and abstract class, there is only one difference. In this you can also add implementation. Like suppose I can also have one method. Okay, I can also have a implementation in abstract class, but this you cannot do in interface. Reason is start method, just reason is one, that if you want to keep some default methods in your design time, at your design time you can decide that this method you should have, means it is must in this functionality, so you can add here also. But in most of the cases you should just have a blueprint or a raw class, that is only abstract methods you should have, and you can also have properties inside this. Okay, so this is our abstraction. We will just once go through the code. Okay, uh, here we are creating a payment class of credit card payment, and we are calling process payment method. We will just run the console application. So abstraction is just you before creating your classes, you have to decide what properties and methods you require. So that is abstraction. Okay. Sorry. Yeah. Now we are starting this example. We'll go inside this. Here we are doing F10 abstraction example. We are writing, and here we are creating instance of credit card payment. We'll go inside this. Doing calling method process payment, and see, this is calling process payment method of this credit card payment. Okay, which we have already done, and this is just a declaration part, which we if it is abstract, it is compulsory to override here. Okay, okay, so we will continue. See here, it is writing processing credit card payment. We will stop this. Okay, 1 minute. We'll just build. Okay, I will show you one thing here. Yeah. See, if I don't implement this in your derived class, it will give error. One minute. I will remove override class. Okay. See, methods I can add any number of methods I can add, but see what it says, that you are not implementing process payment. See, if you are given abstract and you are inheriting this class, it is must to implement. So that was just I was showing you. So we will implement this. See, now we are implementing, so error will go. See, error gone. Okay. Okay friends, I hope you understood abstract class. We can achieve abstract class using abstract class. We can achieve abstraction using abstract class and interface. So while your project work, you just keep this in mind. Okay. Okay, okay friends, thank you very much. Bye.